Have you ever wanted to unlock the secrets to maximizing profits in your e-commerce store? Today we're going to be pulling back the curtains on the strategies to maximize your profits that can take your e-commerce business to new heights. As we delve into this adventure, profit maximization in e-commerce can often feel like a puzzle with an elusive final piece. And as a business owner, you may have battled with setting the right prices, struggled to balance the cost of acquiring new customers with the value that they bring in, or simply grappled with the understanding of how money flows within your business. This challenge can feel overwhelming, and often it's hard to know where to start or how to continue. As someone who's walked this path and has wrestled with the same issues, I can fully relate to these challenges. I remember the feeling of looking at the numbers and not knowing whether my business or my client's business was truly heading in the right direction. But here's the good news. Through persistence, continuous learning, and adapting a data-driven mindset, I managed to navigate these tricky waters, and today I'm here to share my learnings with you that I've learned on this journey. If you're new here, my name is Heidt. I'm the founder of New Heights, and we help individuals like you scale their e-commerce businesses to 7 figures and beyond. And I make these videos to help you get to 6 figures so you can build a brand and a business that supports your dream lifestyle as you become the greatest version of yourselves. And of course, maybe even work with us to help you go to 7 figures and beyond. So if you're looking to grow your e-commerce business and become your greatest self, you're in the right spot. I'm super glad that you're here. So let's dive in to maximizing your e-commerce profits. Before we embark, we need to prepare our mindset. It's crucial to adopt a data-driven mindset, one that prioritizes decisions based on concrete data rather than assumptions or even emotions. This approach will empower you with confidence that your business is heading in the right direction. And now with this right mindset, this data-driven mindset, let's get into one of the first ways to optimize and maximize your profits. Let's look at your pricing strategy. Your pricing strategy significantly impacts your business's bottom line. A robust pricing strategy isn't just about covering costs. It's about appropriately valuing your products and reflecting that value in the price. I always recommend having a gross profit margin of 45% or more per product on your front end offers. Remember, the higher the gross profit margin, the better. And also it helps with the higher gross profit on the front end. It helps counter new customer acquisition costs in your front-end marketing efforts. So I encourage you to go through your entire SKU list and look at the numbers for each product. We have a key metric sheet in our Vertex blueprint that you can download that's in the link below. And as you go through this, you can ask yourself, can you increase your prices on your products by 10% or more? Or can you launch a new products, any new products with higher gross profit margins? Review this, make some changes, and you could instantly increase your business and increase your profits as well in your e-commerce business. Now that we've got pricing down, let's understand new customer acquisition cost, or NCAC, and return on ad spend, or ROAS. Grasping these concepts will allow you to measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, determining whether your customer acquisition costs are being outweighed by the value that these customers are bringing in. Ask yourself questions like, are you able to acquire a new customer at a profit? Or how about, are you able to acquire a new customer at a break-even number? What is your goal ROAS per product, not blended for your products, but what is your ROAS per product and the funnel that it's attached to? Get clear on these numbers, and they can help make sure that you are not setting fire to cash in your front-end marketing efforts. And after we have a clear understanding of profit per product and our NCAC and ROAS, we want to track what is called contribution margin. Contribution margin is revenue minus cost of delivery, which we'll get to in a second, minus ad spend. Now, cost of delivery, this is everything included to get the product delivered. This includes your COGS, your processor fee, your merchant fee, shipping fee, and pick and pack fee if you're using a third-party logistics, anything that's going to help you get your product from where it is to the customers. We track contribution margin because it's the closest metric to profit with marketing without operating expenses. We track this as a number, not a percentage. So you can track this per product, but also it's highly recommended to track the contribution margin for an overall in your store or your e-commerce business. Next up, to maximize your profits in your e-commerce store, I always encourage building out an offer ladder. By offering a range of products, not only can you cater to a wider customer base, but also open up opportunities for upselling and cross-selling. Remember, high-priced, high-margin products can significantly boost your profitability. So if you sell physical products, how can you incorporate digital products with even higher profit margins? Or of course, you can always offer subscription services that have a profit margin each time they purchase, or even products that are 5 to 10x the average price in your store. These are part of your offer ladder that can help maximize your e-commerce business's profits by implementing them right now, instantly. And also building out this offer ladder can help you open up the tons of room to growth, to brand new ideas, to everlasting expansion, and of course, maximizing that profit. So I always suggest building out an offer ladder, so you can do that now. And the next thing that we want to talk about is how to maximize your profit is how can we increase the average order value and optimize these sales funnels. So the aim here with these to increase average order value is to motivate your customers to add more items to their cart, increasing your revenue per transaction. Remember, an effective sales funnel often includes a front-end offer, a one-click upsell, which is an offer I prefer to make that can't be found anywhere else on the site. And then also after that one-click upsell, after the checkout is complete, offering a profit maximizer is what it's called. That is a product or an offer that is 2 to 3x times the price of what the original offer was. So optimizing your product sales funnel to increase AOV instantly maximizes your profits. If you don't have any upsells or anything in place like this, just implementing this alone can instantly add more revenue and more profit to your store. And if you want a great app to use to help you implement these funnels and build these one-click upsells, these post-purchase upsells, we like to use an app called Shopify One-Click Upsell. It's easy, an app that integrates right into your Shopify store, so give that a shot. And as we move on, a critical aspect of your e-commerce strategy should be understanding your customer's lifetime value. This is critical to maximizing your e-commerce profits. Knowing this helps you identify how much you can feasibly spend on acquiring and then retaining them, which can then lead to more informed decision-making around marketing spend and strategy, which then of course paints a clear timetable and picture from marketing to acquiring to profit. Knowing your lifetime value is one of the most crucial things that you can do that's going to help give you a more calm and steady mindset, knowing that you're investing money on the front end, to which then you can know your cost per acquisition, your break-even point, and then your profit point. So highly suggest getting clear on this. There's a myriad of apps in the Shopify store to help you implement this. Some of the things that we use as far as third-party analytics is something like Wicked Reports, Triple Whale, or even Northbeam as well can help you find this out. And there's lots of other ones that are a little bit less, that are more cost effective, but those are some of the best third-party tracking out there, and attribution. So now let's turn our focus into some marketing strategies that can run parallel with maximizing our e-commerce profits, maximizing your e-commerce profits. There's paid advertising, which is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, all that good stuff that can instantly enhance your store's visibility and reach, allowing you to target specific demographics and attract the right customers. Using this method, you bring traffic to your store and convert prospects into customers. And with your pricing strategy, offers, and funnels in place, paid advertising can now amplify your revenue and your profit. You can also run a Cash X campaign. This is something that we like to do, is run a Cash X campaign that retargets your customers on retargets your 60-day or 90-day customers, that then offers them cross-sells and upsells to other products to help them increase that lifetime value that we are always trying to increase. So using that in your paid advertising can help you amplify and maximize your profits as well as running a Cash X campaign to retarget customers in your campaigns. So let's move on to email and SMS on maximizing your profits, because it's very similar. And what we do in paid advertising, we also want to make sure that we're having the systems in place with our email and SMS to increase lifetime value, and of course get the customers that aren't customers yet, but they're on your email list, your SMS list, to become customers. So email and SMS marketing can build these personal relationships with your customers by delivering tailored content that fosters loyalty and encourages repeat purchases. So we want to make sure when we set up our SMS and email that we have a nice funnel mapped out for 90 days of a post-purchase flow, that in this flow, you can offer more products, so you're doing some more upselling or cross-selling as well to get a customer to come back and buy again. You can always incentivize them with another offer or something else that can get them to come back and buy their second to 100th time. So making sure that this funnel is laid out in those 90 days gives you a very clear idea of how you can optimize this funnel, both in your paid and both in your SMS and email, how I can maximize customer lifetime value within this system. So this helps increase overall the lifetime value and customer loyalty and engagement that in the long run will maximize your profit like no other. Let's not forget about the one thing that is probably one of the most powerful things that just takes a lot of time, that a lot of people don't want to put in, and that's organic traffic. By creating valuable content that attracts and encourages your audience, you're filling your funnel with quality prospects. This allows you to stay on top of reaching brand new people organically. And like I said, this is a longer game, but it has a massive return on investment in the long run. So I always suggest on working on creating organic content that you can post every day if you can, to help you fill your funnel with new qualified prospects that you can then retarget them to have them be a purchaser, help on your email list, and then build that customer engagement, customer loyalty, relationships, because it's people do business with people, and this is the best way to do that. So finally, we've come to probably the most pivotal thing of your e-commerce business to maximize your e-commerce profits, which is customer experience and word of mouth marketing. Providing excellent customer service, soliciting customer feedback, and fostering a community around your brand. This can lead to an invaluable word of mouth promotion. This is the most powerful way that you will maximize your profits, because what will your customers say about you or your brand? Once the word of mouth gains momentum, it can either break or build your business and grow your business in ways that you can never imagine. So remember that there's always a human behind every strategy that we're trying to implement. So serve your customers, serve this human at the highest level, and as you do, your profits will soar. Doing an e-commerce store is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires time, persistence, continuous learning, and an unflinching commitment to delivering value to your customers. But with the right mindset and strategies in place, you are well on your way to running a highly profitable e-commerce store and maximizing the profits of which you have now. And if you want to continue to learn more about growing e-commerce stores, make sure you download our Vertex Blueprint, which is in the link below, and you'll gain access to all our working documents, all our strategies, and of course, an entire training walkthrough of our Vertex Blueprint and our RISE process that we use here at New Heights to help our brands and our clients go from 6 figures to 7 figures and beyond, and also help them become the greatest version of themselves, making them become the highest performer that they can, so that they can live a life that they love and create a life that they love. Whatever that looks like for you, we like to do that here, and we like to make sure that you have access so you can create that, because we're all about making an impact here at New Heights, and we hope that we can do that for you. So that's it for today. If you want to keep growing and keep learning, make sure you click on one of these 2 videos right here, and until next time, I'll see you later. Thanks a lot for watching.